Hi, welcome back, and today we are going to learn how to easily style this gele. 3 steps and we are done, but I will take time to show it to you so that you can get it and you can go to your parties in stylish way. So let's style this. If you have not subscribed, please remember to subscribe to my channel. Easy PC, where you learn it the easy way. So let's go to this. So while I was talking, I just make the 3 pleats so that I don't waste your time. This is the 3 pleats. Like I usually say, 3 pleats is enough for beginners. So once you make your 3 pleats, just see, just bring it down, making sure that you have your 3 pleats, you see. Then come to the back and just place it on your head. And while that, make sure you do not release your 3 pleats. And you see what I'm doing? Just pull it over each other and just grab it. I hope you understand it. Once you grab it, locate your 3 pleats. 1, 2, and 3. Right? Easy peasy way. This is the easy peasy. And once you grab it like that, the 3, just come. You see what I'm doing? Just bring it over all the way to your back. And when you get to this side, you take, you see, I want you to grab it once and for all. Just take one of these, and you see this, my long one, just grab this piece and make a knot. Well tightened. So you make, can you see my knots? I hope you can see it. And then you come to the front. And this is where your styling begins. Just make it as, doesn't have to be neat. But for this one, what do you do with it? You see the head, just bring it. Do you see how I am folding it? Just that way. I hope you can see it. I want you to be able to fold this and do this yourself, okay? And just once you finish folding, pin it together. Okay? And it's remain this one. And then make another knot. The 2 knots, you see the first knot, then make the second knot. And once you make the second, you see I just pull it in like this, and with this just use a pin, because you won't be able to tie the knot 2 times like I did for the first one. So just for the second knot, just use your pin. I hope you understand. Now to the styling of the front. This is easy peasy way. I don't miss any step. I make sure to show you. Arrange your 3 pleats. Can you see my 3 pleats? And then the 3 pleats for this one, just pull them out like that, so that you have your 3 pleats. I'm just arranging the pleats. I want it to look like professional. I just don't want to rush it. You see? This is the first one for this side. And for this side, 1, 2, 3. I hope you can see it. And once I get that, just arrange. Huh? I hope it's easy enough. This is Easy Peasy channel. And I hope you will subscribe so that I can do more of this. I'm just arranging. And you have, you see? And you can just move your gele a little bit back so that you can have the high rise. And if you want this to show a little bit, you can just, now it's on your head, wear tights. And who can tell us how many pins we use to achieve this? Do you remember? Just 2. 1 here, 1 there. And you have it the Easy Peasy way. So why are you still going to that party? Like, let me see. If you need more pin, do not hesitate to use more. Can you see it? I think it's much better in person. I'm just trying to show you the layers. These have to be ruffled. To create the style, you just have to make this so at the back, I'm just trying to make sure that I have my ear net all inside. You see? Is it not looking lovely? And if you are the one that love to call attention, easy. You can remove the pin here. You want the attention, you can make it fly. You see what I'm doing? Oh, sorry. You see it? I'm making it fly, but it can't stay like that. It will get loosened with a pin. Just instead of tying this down, just pin it down. I mean, instead of pinning the tip down, just locate the middle and you have it another way. Whichever you want, you are still stylish. And gently arrange it. It depends on your style. Some people want it high. Either way. And for the video that I made yesterday, I don't know, for some reason, it looks so small. So I'll be creating another video to show how I made that style, that lovely high-rise gele. I will make it again so that we can see. Oh, my pin is getting loose. So I'm just using pin. Okay. Like I say, if you want to use pin, do not hesitate to use as many pins as you want. Isn't that lovely? See? I hope you like my video, and with this you are able to subscribe. You rock. I love you. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know you're following me. Subscribe. I love you. Easy peasy.